Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Derya Cakirsoy Coloring Book is probably one of the most sought-after adult coloring books on the market, offering a unique blend of intricate designs and therapeutic escape for artists of all levels. This particular coloring book stands out with its high-quality paper that minimizes bleed-through, making it suitable for a wide range of coloring mediums, from colored pencils to markers, and its thoughtfully curated collection of patterns provides hours of creative engagement and stress relief. Whether you're a seasoned colorist or just beginning your journey into the world of adult coloring, this book promises a delightful and rewarding experience that will transport you to a world of color and calm. Number 5. CHROMATEK Watercolor Paint Set, 62-piece kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive watercolor set. It's designed for everyone, from absolute beginners to seasoned professionals, providing all the essential supplies to start painting and build your confidence. Experience the brilliance of 26 highly pigmented watercolor tubes. These professional-grade paints blend effortlessly, offering excellent transparency and light fastness for stunning, long-lasting artwork. Achieve outstanding results on 25 sheets of artist-grade watercolor paper. Its durable surface is perfect for all your techniques, ensuring your creations retain their vibrancy. This set includes 8 synthetic swirl brushes that hold water exceptionally well and maintain a fine point for detailed work. They are durable and designed for excellent control. Paint anywhere with the portable aqua blending pen. Simply fill it with water for effortless washes and blending, or even diluted paint for added versatility. Elevate your painting experience with the included durable palette and premium masking tape. These tools are perfect for preparing your paper and ensuring clean, smooth results. This gift set provides everything you need to start painting and progressing quickly. Plus, access our online video tutorials to guide your artistic journey. What we like. This set offers a complete watercolor experience with everything you need to get started. It includes highly pigmented paints for vibrant results and even comes with a video tutorial to guide you. If you are a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution or an artist wanting high-quality supplies with learning support, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The color selection provides enough variety that you can paint with those colors only, and also learn to mix when you're ready to do that. The tutorials are fun and easy to follow. You get 2 of each pre-printed drawing on watercolor paper, plus extra blank watercolor pages. The paints are richly saturated and offer incredible vibrancy on paper. Even when diluted, the colors maintain their intensity, allowing for both bold and subtle effects. Number 4. ColorIt 50 States Adult Coloring Book. Embark on a vibrant journey across the USA with this adult coloring book. Explore from coast to coast, including Alaska and Hawaii, for a truly colorful adventure. Discover breathtaking scenes capturing America's beauty, from Alaska's northern lights to Key West sunsets. Enjoy 50 stunning pages designed for relaxation and creativity. Ride the creativity highway with our bleed-proof perforated paper. It's perfect for markers, gel pens, and colored pencils, making coloring a breeze for everyone. Thanks to the top spiral binding, lefties and righties can both color with ease. It's perfect for your next road trip or a relaxing day at home. This coloring book features single-sided prints and perforations for easy page removal. An ink blotter is included to stop any bleed-through, making it a must-have for enthusiasts. What we like. Embark on a colorful journey across the USA with these unique designs. The pages are perforated for easy framing and the lay-flat binding makes coloring comfortable. If you love exploring different places and want to display your artwork easily, this book is perfect for your next road trip or a relaxing day at home. What people say. The pages are thick, I color with marker and don't need anything in between. The pictures are a good mix of fine line and basic coloring. I like that there is a sheet in the beginning that shows what each page is, because even though they are alphabetical, it's easier for me to reference that page. The pages are very thick and alcohol markers do not bleed through. I love the hardcover and being able to use it at a different angle than a regular book style. Paper is heavy and super nice, holds color nicely, presentation is awesome, pages are perforated and easily tear out, super cool index page on some of them. Number 3. ColorIt Timeless Treasures Adult Coloring Book. Embark on a journey of creativity and relaxation with this unique adult coloring book. It's designed to inspire your artistic side and provide a peaceful escape from everyday stress. Explore a world of nostalgia with 50 charming vintage-style drawings. These delightful illustrations of home decor and keepsakes are perfect for colorists of all skill levels. Experience superior coloring with our high-quality, thick paper. It's designed to prevent bleed-through, ensuring your artwork stays pristine, no matter the medium. Enjoy a user-friendly experience with its durable hardback cover and convenient spiral binding. This design allows for easy page turning, making it comfortable for everyone to use. Easily remove your finished creations thanks to the perforated, single-sided pages. An included ink blotter protects your artwork, ensuring your masterpieces are preserved. What we like. Step back in time with charming vintage-style drawings of home decor and antiques. It features high-quality, thick paper that prevents bleed-through and a durable hardback cover. If you appreciate nostalgia and want a premium coloring experience with beautiful vintage aesthetics, this book is an excellent pick. What people say. The pages are thick, I color with marker and don't need anything in between. The pictures are a good mix of fine line and basic coloring. I like that there is a sheet in the beginning that shows what each page is, because even though they are alphabetical, it's easier for me to reference that page. The pages are very thick and alcohol markers do not bleed through. I love the hard cover and being able to use it at a different angle than a regular book style. Paper is heavy and super nice, holds color nicely, presentation is awesome, pages are perforated and easily tear out, super cool index page on some of them. Number 2. ColorIt Colorful Novels Adult Coloring Book. Discover a new creative outlet that helps you relieve stress. Dive into coloring scenes inspired by classic novels and let your imagination run wild. Explore a visual library filled with 50 stunning hand-drawn illustrations. Relive the plots of timeless books through the art of coloring. Designed for colorists of all levels, it features premium paper that works beautifully with various coloring tools. Enjoy a top-rated coloring experience. Your artwork stays safe with resilient spiral binding and hardback covers. Included blotter paper prevents smudges, keeping your creations pristine wherever you go. With unique designs and top-notch paper, this makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves books and coloring. Share the joy of creativity with friends and family. What we like. Dive into the world of classic novels through stunning illustrations. This book is designed to work beautifully with various art supplies, including glitter gel pens. If you're a book lover who enjoys a creative escape and wants to color scenes from timeless stories, this is the perfect gift for you or a fellow bibliophile. What people say. The paper is nice and thick, the pages are perforated, and it's spiral bound at the top of the book. The pages are one-sided. The illustrations are beautiful. The paper is crazy thick with perforated edges so you can remove from the book to frame. The coloring book pages are thicker than some of my other purchases, greatly reducing how badly the marker seeps through the page. That and the one-side printing prevents images from being messed up, making it a hands-down great purchase in my book. Number 1. RYVE Animal Coloring Book for Adults. Escape the everyday and enter a world of artistic tranquility. This coloring book offers a serene journey, allowing you to unwind and relax with its stunning designs. Discover the unique traits of animals and how they can inspire personal growth. Each page is an artistic journey that bridges creativity with life's lessons. Reflect on the resilience and courage depicted in these animal illustrations as you color. This experience promotes mindfulness and personal growth, transforming each page into a moment of peace. Looking for a meaningful and tranquil activity? This coloring book is an ideal gift for anyone seeking a peaceful artistic escape and a world of reflection. Enjoy a premium coloring experience with thick, bleed-resistant paper. Plus, a digital PDF of all illustrations allows you to revisit your favorite designs anytime. With 31 diverse animal illustrations, you'll find the perfect design to match your mood. Explore a vast array of designs catering to every artistic level and creative desire. What we like. Connect with the wisdom of animals and nurture your mindfulness through art. Each page offers a unique illustration paired with life lessons, printed on thick, bleed-resistant paper. If you're seeking a tranquil activity that promotes personal growth and offers a peaceful artistic escape, this book is an inspirational choice. What people say. The book has a good variety of designs. The paper quality is thick and suitable for markers. The illustrations are intricate and detailed, offering a good coloring challenge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.